Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a beautiful baritone ukulele to show you today. This is number 701. Sometimes when I work on a stock instrument like this, it's in order to test out something new or make something really fancy or experiment a little bit. And sometimes it's just to highlight, an underutilized wood in the shop because I think it deserves it, or because I've got a shelf I want to clean off. And for the next few stock instruments, over the next few months, I'm going to be using some of this beautiful mahogany for the backs and sides. I bought this when I lived in Colorado, and it's all orphaned guitar sides. So they're big enough to be a dreadnought guitar side, and there's two of them, but they don't have a matching back. So they weren't suitable for making guitars without a matching back. But the guitar sides are big enough to make ukuleles from. So I think it's African mahogany. I think most of it's sapele. It's just a beautiful, stripy, simple wood, but it's really great for building instruments, and it just sounds awesome. I paired this one with an Engelmann spruce top, and it's got beautiful, tiny rays and figure in it. Some of my best sounding spruce right now in the shop. And a little pistachio for fretboard, head plate, and bridge. Made a shorter fretboard for this one, for a kind of classic look. And the neck is some fir and walnut. And it's great. It's just, the whole thing just hums. Yeah, it's just really nice. So yeah, I think this is going to go out to the email list and to social media as a stock instrument. And I have more of this spruce and mahogany if you'd like it for your ukulele someday. So yeah, number 701, ready to go. Cheers.